it's Sharon Hartley from My Keto Journey, and today we're going to be doing a no-bake cheesecake. Some of you may not have any desserts planned yet for Christmas lunch or dinner, and we're just going to show you this quick no-bake cheesecake that's really simple and easy. It only has 3 ingredients, which is our Philadelphia cream cheese. And you want to buy Philadelphia because any other cream cheese is just horrible. Philadelphia is the best. And it has a few carbs in it. It has 1 carb and 1 sugar. So this is totally perfect for keto, and this is one of the best cream cheeses that you can get. Right now at Coles or Woolworths, they are selling these for $6. So for two, so it's a twin pack. So if you're last minute shopping and you want to pick up a couple of these, if they're still in stock, they were kind of running out, grab your Philadelphia. So the next ingredient that we use is this thickened cream, and this is from Woolworths, and we'll be using half thickened cream today in this no-bake cheesecake. So basically I have whipped up the thickened cream and the cream cheese, if you'd like to come over here and have a look. So this is 1 packet of Philadelphia cream cheese, and we have our thickened cream here. Now we might just give this a little bit more of a whisk because it's not totally all the way peaked. So we want it totally all the way peaked. And we just want to do it on low, okay? Or step further. So just whisk it up really well. Make sure that it's at a peak. Now we're going to just quickly turn it off. So what we're going to be doing, guys, is we're going to be combining the thickened cream into the cream cheese mixture. So we're going to get our spatula and our bowl here, and we're going to just plop it all in here. And make sure that you use a spatula so that you get every little piece of thickened cream out. We don't want to waste any. We actually have some cream cheese stuck to this, so we're going to just use a fork for this. Okay. And we have some kind of stuck on here, so we're just gonna, it doesn't really matter if you have a little bit stuck to the, there we go. Okay. There we go. So now that we have our cream cheese and our thickened cream, we're going to be mixing this up with the beaters. Okay. You can do it a little higher than that. Just want to make sure everything. Okay, whisk it around. Make sure that all the cream is in the mixture. Okay, so guys, it's going to look like that. That is what it's going to look like. So you're going to just make sure that you drop off the rest of this here. Okay. So now you've got soft consistency to work with. I'm just going to move this around. Okay, so the next thing that goes in the cheesecake is jelly light or aeroplane jelly, jelly or jello, what Americans call it. No sugar, make sure that it has no sugar at all. This has 0 carbs and obviously no sugar. So you can do basically any flavour that you like, strawberry, orange, lime, lemon, anything like that. So these are found at Woolworths or Safeways or Coles, Walmart. So you have a satchel, so that in that packet there are 2 packets, so you can do 2 cheesecakes. Now we have 250 grams of mils of hot boiling water, but we let that water get to a warm consistency, so that is 1 cup of water. I'm saying different metric sayings because we're not all the same in the world. So we're just going to tear this open like this. So we're going to just pour it in. Okay. So as you can see, it's nice and red. It's a nice red consistency. And now we're just going to get a spoon and okay. Now we're going to be adding in the strawberry mixture, and we're going to be beating it with the beaters again. Okay, so now we're going to be adding just a little, as you can come and have a look and see. Okay, not too close because I might splatter all over the screen. Okay, so here we go. You want to just make sure that the first half of it is all. And don't worry about that side part, you can always fold that in later. Now we're going to get the rest of our jelly, and we're just going to pour it all over the place. Okay. So now it's going to be really rather liquidy, so just be careful not to have your heaters on too high. Okay. So that is basically all mixed up now, except for that little side part. And we're just going to get just that little side part in to our mixture. And we're just going to fold the rest in that's lumpy. I'm just going to fold the rest in. Nice and easy, not whisking because it'll overflow over the bowl. Okay. So we just want to get the excess off with a spoon. You don't need to be too fussy about what's on the spoon. Little kids like to lick the spoon anyway, so leave it for the little ones. Now we have a ramekin here. We have a ramekin, and we're going to be placing the liquid in the ramekin. So I'm going to pour it in. Nice. Leave it. Now there might be still some lumpy bits in there, but don't worry because it's a cheesecake and cheesecakes are supposed to be a little lumpy. So basically this will go into your refrigerator until it's set. So just keep an eye on it, and it will feed up to 8 slices. So feed 8 people if you're gonna, or a couple of people. And it is 4 net carbs. So it's really a great keto recipe, And like I said, this is like last minute ideas that we're giving you right now. So enjoy the no bake cheesecake that you just put in the refrigerator, and you don't even have to do any prep work or cooking. Okay guys, take care and have a great rest of the day. It is Christmas Eve, so be careful out there in the crowds, don't get too crazy, and just de-stress, just breathe in and out. That we're going to have a wonderful Christmas Eve tonight, singing carols and being merry. So have a great Christmas Eve, guys. Take care. Keto I. Bye-bye.